Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Guy J back with another video. As always, the chase of success is not success. This is why we keep moving forward and we post every day. So, you guys, we had a snowstorm yesterday. So today I'm gonna show you guys, this is why I'm just like this, how we have to shovel. I'm gonna show you how much shoveling we have to do because we had a snowstorm. So this is why I look crazy. I look insane. So because of the snowstorm, I'm gonna show you I'm shoveling. You see, you guys, we have to shovel all of this. So I figured I should bring you guys with me and let's shovel away. We haven't really done much with the shoveling. So my husband just warmed up one car and we have to do all this, all the shoveling. So basically what I'm doing myself is I take this part, you see, y'all, it's like so much. This is so much. So you guys come along and shovel with me.
Yeah, as you can see, everyone, my wife is basically trying to clean up the driveway. So she's doing a little bit slowly, but surely she will finish it, we hope. So I give her basically all the basic principles so she doesn't hurt herself. She has, as you can see, she has to stay behind the shovel and then try not to put too much pressure on her back. So she's doing good so far. And when you're doing snow, there is no rush. Otherwise you will be exhausted before you're done. So she's doing one more. She did quite a few. If you can see by the garage, basically all is clean, and she just have this one left. So we will I will show you at the end how she end up clean up the driveway. Thank you.
One that's cleaning, he has to clean the cars too. I have to angle the camera so I don't show you our plate number. So he's shoveling. So he started at the beginning of our driveway, and you see all this snow, and he's managed to move one car, and we still have all this to go. Well, we're almost done. We are almost done. So this is snow in Boston, you guys. Although I live outside of Boston, so we get more snow. So he has to clean up his car, you guys. Yeah, so this is our life when it snows, you know. You guys, I'm gonna keep shoveling, and then I don't want to show you guys in front of my house. I'm gonna keep shoveling until I'm done. So I'll see you guys soon. You guys, we're done. We're done. You guys, we're done. We're able to do our whole driveway. So we are done. Let me show you guys the other way. See, we are done, you guys. We are done. We are done. My husband just finishing up. I can't really show you guys because he's near our car and I don't want our plate to show. So it's kind of tough. You understand, right? All right, you guys, we are done shoveling. Thank you for hanging out with us. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And remember, oh my god, I have snow in my eyes. A taste of success is not success. So this is why we post every single day. Bye-bye.